So I think there's this voice in my head, since my childhood that I'm meant for doing more, not just working, under someone or things like that. But after returning from the US, I always wanted to, not just work for the brand, but, build them. So I think that is what inspired me to start this company, Advaya Pixel Works. The word Advaya means non-duality. There's no second of anything, oneness or uniqueness. And it also means something that cannot be copied, right? So as a brand, as Advaya, I think that word reflects who we are. And yeah, it was my mom's idea. So it also includes ad, like the advertisement. So I thought, why not incorporate that as well? It's like brewing coffee. So first we listen. Obviously, listening is important, right? So that's the grind. You grind the coffee beans. Then we ideate. That is sitting together and brainstorm about ideas. So that is steeping. And then we use strategies to overcome these problems that the company has. So that is stamping. And then comes serving it hot, you know. So I believe that we don't chase trends, we create moments, right? So we're not just some random agency who gets work done. So we see that we have the brand's vision, the values that they carry, and at the same time, we are that company who uses our utmost talent to put things forward. And I feel that is what sets us apart from other companies. We don't just produce it like a factory, but I think we handcraft whatever we take it. Okay. So I think we believe in collaboration rather than transaction. And I see that we meet their vision and our values to, get things forward and to be more creative. I think that is where, and it also depends on the creative freedom that the client give us, right? So, yeah. In the beginning, it was just, yelling out at the void. It felt like that. There was no reply, there's no feedback, there's nothing actually. So, but it led me to think the why, right? So that is where I thought, the team that I believe in today works to give their best, right? I think having that growth mindset and, taking that huge leap one step at a time, but taking it slow, I think that is what the mindset is for me right now to overcome those, challenges. Every session is a slow one, but we have to take it. This company has started 1 year ago, and 1 year back, I was just a baby, accepting and saying yes to everything that comes my way. But over the months of experience and learning, that I learned that I have to set boundaries somewhere. This is not it, right? And it also depends on the creative freedom that the clients give you, right? So I think, with the experiences, with more clients coming in, I have that creative freedom also. Yeah, I think more creative freedom and, setting boundaries. So I think this 1 year has taught me that. I'll get things straight. We're all a very young team, right? All of us are youngsters, fresh out of college with fresh ideas and, fresh things to put forward to the company, right? So I think we are all dreamers and doers and, we get things done. Sitting together with just a good playlist and good coffee, I think we get things done, right? We finish out everything that's there in the beginning and then chill later, right? Since we are Gen Z, everybody is young outside, and we also give that young energy to the clients. And yeah, that is the culture we have here. I feel I follow more design blogs and these Instagram accounts that are there on social media. They post a lot of creative stuff on social media. So there's a lot to learn from. And I don't follow influencers, right? I use scrolling as research mostly. And I also feel that marketing depends on what people think and what moves them, right? So people are huge inspiration for marketing and these design blogs for digital media. I want to see Advaya as a creative powerhouse in the next 5 years and help out all the college graduates. They have a lot of ideas to put out to the world, and I want to be their guiding light. And I just want to create, legacy brand. And yeah, probably want to start podcast sometime in the future. Yeah, that is all I have.